Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the details of the CORSAIR 3500X RS-R ARGB mid-tower PC case, just a quick reminder that the link to purchase this product at a discount is pinned in the first comment below. This case is designed for PC builders who want a perfect balance between aesthetics, cooling performance, and versatility. The CORSAIR 3500X RS-R ARGB stands out with its sleek black finish and wraparound tempered glass panels that provide a stunning 360-degree view of your build. It comes pre-installed with 3 RS120-R ARGB fans, which not only deliver excellent cooling, but also add vibrant lighting effects easily controlled via a +5V RGB motherboard header. For those who prioritize airflow, this case supports up to 10x 120mm fans across side, roof, and PSU mounting points, ensuring your components stay cool without compromising the stylish look. One of the unique features is its compatibility with reverse connection motherboards such as ASUS BTF, MSI Project Zero, and Gigabyte Project Stealth, allowing cables to be routed behind the board for a cleaner, more organized appearance. The removable tempered glass front and side panels simplify building and maintenance, making upgrades or cleaning hassle-free. Additionally, the case includes a GPU anti-sag arm, which is a thoughtful inclusion to protect your graphics card from bending or sagging over time, especially useful for heavier GPUs. Pros: stunning wraparound tempered glass design for a full view of your components. 3 pre-installed ARGB fans with motherboard lighting control. Supports up to 10x 120mm fans for exceptional cooling potential. Compatible with a wide range of motherboard sizes from mini IDX to EATX. Reverse connection motherboard support for cleaner cable management. GPU anti-sag arm included to protect your graphics card. Easy access with removable front and side tempered glass panels. Cons: the glass panels, while beautiful, can be prone to fingerprints and require regular cleaning. Limited front I/O ports compared to some competing cases. Larger size may require ample desk or floor space overall. The CORSAIR 3500X RS-R ARGB mid-tower PC case is an excellent choice for builders who want a visually striking case with robust cooling options and thoughtful features like reverse motherboard compatibility and a GPU anti-sag arm. If you want to grab this case at a discount, remember to check the pinned link in the first comment below. Happy building!